How to buy Aurk, the Aurk AI token. Now before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now as you can see, this is the X account. Now make sure to take a look at it. Now as you can see, the token is in pre-sale. Now open the text screener. As you can see, if you don't have an account, go and open an account on it. So after you find the token, now as you can see, open the website. Now click on buy now. They will redirect you to Uniswap. So after you are in the Uniswap, as you can see, this is our token. Now just click on connect and select your wallet. For this I will select the Bitget wallet. Now so that after you connect your wallet, as you can see, the token will disappear from here. Now from here, select the crypto that you want to buy with, for example Ethereum or USDT. Now as you can see, so how to find the right token, just go to the screener and find the token. Now copy it, as you can see, and as you can see from here, make sure to select the Ethereum network from here. Now as you can see, paste the address, and as you can see, you will find it and click on it. So make sure to read this and click on continue. Now here, enter how much you want to buy with Ethereum, and as you can see, how much you will receive, and click on buy. Now the other way is to buy it is by opening the text screener and find the token. Now go to Bitget wallet, and now we'll be able to add this token to Bitget wallet. Now copy the token address from here, go to Bitget wallet, and after that click on this plus. After that, make sure to select the network as Ethereum, and now as you can see, paste the address from here and you will find your token and click on plus. Now as you can see, it's added successfully. Now to make sure it's added, just go back, and now as you can see, make sure to select the Ethereum from here, the network, and scroll down until you find your coin. This is it. It said that it's not listed. After you click on it, now you can click on buy, and now they will redirect you to the page to buy or to fill your wallet with the USDT or Ethereum that you want to buy with. Now after that, select your country from here. Now enter how much you want to buy, and now to get the receiving address, let's click on Bitget wallet. Now after that, make sure to select the token from here, as you can see the Aurk. Now click on receive. Now copy the address from here and paste it here, as you can see, and now after you buy the USDT, you will buy it automatically. So this is how to buy the Aurk AI token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.